JD Cap 26 here. Just do tips and repairs and hobbies, and we're working on the base here, and we're putting shadowing in, and then we're going to spray it with the gray, and then do it with the some burnt umber. Putting some shadowing in, and with some dark black, just in the creases of the clothing. So we gave him a coat of white for his clothing, and covered that up. Oh. And here are the paints we used: green, pearl blue, burnt umber, ghoul green, flesh, brown, gray, a light tan, a white, a black, a dark brown, a red, and a gray. And what we did here is we put tape on the base, so we didn't paint this part right here, because we're going to put his feet right there. So we just put some masking tape there, and I put some green stuff there to mount him. So I mixed up some green stuff, and I'm going to put a glob right there. They said to pin this and drill pins and use a coat hanger wire. I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm just going to use the green stuff and hope for the best. So let's see if I can get them mounted on here. Push him into the green stuff without breaking his feet. Like he's... So I think that's going to work. We've got the sign to do still. And I'm going to put a bottle behind him, just to hold him. So that's what he looks like, guys. He's pretty awesome, I think. And with the green stuff, when that dries, I will use some gray texture color to fill it in. I don't know if you can see it, but there's green right here. I just put it down like that. So thanks for watching, and please rate and subscribe. Please give me the thumbs up, and have a nice Halloween. Halloween's this Saturday, and be safe, and get some good candy. Eat it at home, because we're social distancing, or have a little small party with your family. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.